Hi, this is Zainab and you're watching Studimation. Today I have something special to announce. Yes, you guessed it, this giveaway winners. It's going to be a fair and square lucky draw, and instead of 3 winners, we're going to have 5 winners. And each one of the 5 lucky winners are going to get the 5 Studimation mugs, and there's not going to be any positions. Okay, so let's get on to the video. I have a big ball here with names of the participants, and I'm going to pick randomly 5 chits and I'll announce it, and then later I'll announce them. Let me shuffle them first. So because it's fair and square, I'm going to close my eyes. Right. One, two, three, four, and 5. Alright, so we have 5 chits with us, and let's start with the first chit. And the winner is, how do I pronounce this? Alright, Abi Maha. Congratulations! Now, the second chit we have Mukhtar Ahmed. Congratulations. Now the third chit we have Girls Gamer 23. Congratulations. Now the second last chit we have Siddha Zebra. Congratulations. And now the last and the final chit. Here we go. Hunter Lot. Congratulations to all of the 5 winners. I'll reach out to you through Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. And if you did not win, don't worry, because we will have more giveaways as we reach amazing milestone. And once again, congratulations to all the winners. You will be receiving these mugs through postal services, and yep, that's all. Thank you for watching Studimation, animated educational videos. And don't forget to keep watching, keep sharing, and keep subscribing.